Welcome! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Zenoti step by step. We'll cover appointment scheduling, client management, billing, payments, inventory tracking, and reporting tools so you can streamline your salon, spa, or wellness business operations more efficiently. Centers and other service-based businesses within the wellness and beauty industry. As organizations in this space increasingly prioritize operational efficiency, customer experience, and data-driven decision-making, Zenoti has emerged as a leading solution that consolidates essential business functions into a single intuitive system. From appointment scheduling and client relationship management to inventory control and staff coordination, Zenoti delivers an end-to-end platform that reduces operational complexity while helping businesses scale effectively. With the demand for seamless digital experiences on the rise, Zenoti enables both staff and customers to interact with services more efficiently, whether through online booking, digital payments, or mobile apps. This video outlines the key features and benefits of using Zenoti for service business management, followed by a look into why Zenoti has become a preferred solution for businesses seeking modernization and growth. So for its key features and benefits, first is the centralized appointment scheduling. Zenoti offers a dynamic scheduling system that accounts for staff availability, service durations, room usage, and even preferences such as gender or service combinations. It allows clients to book through websites, mobile apps, or directly with staff. This streamlines the scheduling process while reducing double bookings and manual rescheduling efforts. Another key feature is the integrated point of sale and payments. The platform includes a fully integrated POS system that handles service charges, tips, memberships, packages, and retail transactions. Contactless and mobile payment options are supported, along with recurring billing features. This simplifies front desk operations and enhances payment convenience for customers, while ensuring smooth financial tracking. Another key feature is the advanced client profile management. Zenoti keeps comprehensive client records that include visit histories, treatment notes, product preferences, and purchasing patterns. This information is readily accessible by authorized staff members to ensure consistent service. This improves personalization and client satisfaction by giving staff a deeper understanding of client needs and behaviors. Another key feature is the marketing automation tools. Zenoti offers built-in tools to manage email campaigns, SMS promotions, loyalty programs, and referral incentives. Campaigns can be automated and tailored to specific client segments based on behavior and purchase history. This increases client engagement and retention without requiring manual outreach efforts, ultimately driving more repeat business. Another key feature is the real-time inventory and retail management. Zenoti allows businesses to track professional and retail product inventories across multiple locations, set reorder alerts, and analyze product usage trends. Integrated retail features also support upselling during appointments. This enhances control over product stock and supports better retail performance, reducing waste and improving margins. So why is Zenoti a great choice? Zenoti has gained a strong reputation for being a scalable and adaptable platform that caters to businesses of all sizes. From independent salons to international spa chains, its strength lies in unifying multiple operational components within one system, eliminating the need for separate tools and reducing overall IT overhead. Its cloud based infrastructure ensures businesses can operate seamlessly across multiple locations with centralized reporting and data synchronization and remote access. This becomes especially valuable for brands looking to grow or maintain consistency across franchises. The platform also places a strong emphasis on data security, compliance, and user permissions, which are essential for organizations managing sensitive client and financial information. Another key advantage is Zenoti's ongoing commitment to innovation. Regular platform updates, industry focused features, and customer support channels ensure that businesses are equipped to meet evolving client expectations and market demands. By enabling greater operational visibility and automation, Zenoti empowers business owners and managers to make informed decisions while providing superior service delivery. So basically, Zenoti stands out as a robust, all-in-one solution for service-based businesses aiming to streamline their operations and enhance the customer journey. With features spanning from scheduling and payments to marketing and staff performance, the platform reduces friction in daily workflows and creates new opportunities for growth and client engagement. So, by investing in a platform like Zenoti, businesses gain not only efficiency, but also a competitive edge in an increasingly digital marketplace. So, for wellness and beauty professionals seeking to modernize their operations, deliver more personalized services, and optimize every client interaction. Thank you very much for watching this complete step-by-step guide. I hope this video helped you understand how to use Zenoti to manage appointments, billing, and client relationships more effectively. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more practical business, wellness, and software tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.